Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the first lesson of geography, that is India, size and location. As the name suggests, in this lesson we are going to study about the size of India and location of India in the world map. Since we are Indians, we should know at least some basic things about India. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. India is a vast country, seventh largest in the world. It's lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes of 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north latitude, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman-Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Let's understand these details with the help of a map. The points which we learned in the previous slide, let's understand the points with the help of a map. You can see that northern part of India, the latitude is 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and the northernmost point of India is called as Indira Col. Okay, so these points are important for the map question also. Please note it down properly. Then southern side. Okay, so as you can see, we have islands which is more south than the Tamil Nadu area, but still here we are talking about the mainland India, the main part of India only, not the islands. So that's why southern part of mainland India, that is in 8 degree and 4 minute north latitude. So that latitude is passing through the mainland India. Or if you are checking the islands also, 6 degree 30 minute north latitude is passing through the southern part of Andaman Nicobar Island. So these are the south and north boundaries. Then if you are checking east and west, the entire India is located in eastern hemisphere. So we are eastern side of 0 degree or longitude or Greenwich meridian. So you can see that eastern side, the easternmost longitude of India, that is 97 degree 25 minute east longitude is that easternmost longitude of India. Then western side when we are coming, it is 68 degree 7 minute east longitude. So if we are checking the distance between these longitudes, you can see that the difference is almost same. You calculate yourself 97 degree 25 minus 68 degree 7 minute. You just calculate it, you will get the answer. And difference between 37 degree 6 minute to 88 degree 4 minute, you can see it's almost 29 point something will come. So latitudinal difference from east to west, south to north, and longitudinal difference from east to west, if you are checking, is almost same for our country. But at the same time, when we are checking the kilometer distance between easternmost and westernmost place, or from northernmost to southernmost place of India, if we are checking in kilometers, you can see that north to south is 3214 kilometer but east to west it's only 2933 kilometer. Then what is the reason for that? Let's understand it in a next part. Before that, one more point is Tropic of Cancer. You can see the green line here, which is passing through India, starting from Gujarat, then it passing through Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, some part of West Bengal, Bihar, etc. You can see. So this Tropic of Cancer is dividing India into almost two equal parts, northern side and the southern side. So southern side of Tropic of Cancer will come under tropical climatical condition, or else we can say tropical region. But northern part of this area, northern part of India, which is northern side of Tropic of Cancer, these areas will come under temperate region. So difference or climatical change between tropical regions and temperate regions, you learn that in smaller classes. But at the same time, since most of the places or states in India are very, we can say, close to the oceans. You can see that Gujarat, then our Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, all these states are, a huge part of these states are very near to the ocean. So because of that, southern part of India, even though we are coming under tropical region, I hope you remember the characteristics of tropical region. Tropical region are the places, those who are getting extreme temperature. So, but still, since these states are sharing ocean boundaries, so because of the effect of these oceans and seas, we don't have that extreme temperature conditions. The nearness to the oceans always moderate the climatical condition of this place. So even though southern part of India located in tropical region, we don't have that much extreme hot temperature here. Earlier I told you, even though the difference between east to west longitudes of easternmost and westernmost longitude and northernmost and southernmost latitude, the difference is almost same. But still, when we are checking it in kilometers, there is a huge difference between these places. North to south, it is lengthier than east to west distance. So what is the reason for that? Let's understand that with this diagram. So as you can see, these parallel lines are latitudes. Okay, the lines or the circles, the complete circles, parallel circles which you can see, they are latitudes. Then the lines running from, semicircles running from north to south, these are longitude. The difference what you can see here, that is the distance between two latitudes are always same. Whether it's in the northernmost place or in near the equator or in the southernmost place, everywhere the difference between two latitudes will be always same. But at the same time, the longitude, if you are checking, you can see that northern, when we go to polar region, North Pole or towards south, when you go, the distance between two longitudes gradually come very closer. Only in the equator part, the distance will be more. Exact distance, if you want to know, that is 111 kilometers. That is the difference between two longitudes in the equator region. But but at the same time, when you're going towards south or else north, the distance reduce and it comes very close to each other by the time it reaches a polar region. So that's why when India, in the case of India, even though the difference between east to west longitudes and north to south latitudes are same, but when you are calculating in kilometers, that difference you can see. This is the reason for it. When I told you India locates in northern hemisphere, I'm sure that at least some of you may had some doubt. So this diagram will help you to understand this. You can see that 0 degree is marked here. The 0 degree is equator. And northern side of the 0 degree entire region is northern hemisphere, and the southern part of the 0 degree, that region is southern hemisphere. So in this map, in this diagram, you can see clearly that entire India is in northern hemisphere, and the dotted line which you can see here, that is Tropic of Cancer. So just observe this. Tropic of Cancer is passing through India, dividing India into almost two equal halves. Now this map will help you to understand that easternmost and westernmost longitudes of India. You can see that easternmost longitudes means one entire longitude which is passing through India, that is 97 degree and 25 minute east longitude. You can see that it's touching Arunachal Pradesh there. So that is the easternmost longitude of India. Westernmost longitude means just the longitude which is passing through the western side of Gujarat. You can see that is 68 degree 7 minute east longitude. The latitudes are the blue color lines. The vertical lines are longitudes, and 82.5 degree east longitude means that longitude is passing almost through middle. When we are checking east to west, when we are considering east to west, the almost middle of the country, the longitude which is passing through the middle of the country is 82.5 degree east longitude. So that is our we are considering it as a standard meridian of India. We will learn about that in detail in the next part of the lesson. Now we just concentrate in the latitudes. The black parallel lines what you can see there, they are latitudes. And the northernmost latitude of India, which you can see that in the northern side, that is 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Then 23, the halfway you can see 23.5 degree north latitude, that is a Tropic of Cancer. Then southern side you can see two lines are there. The reason is, if the question is which is the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland, then the answer is 8 degree 4 minute north. You can see that it's just passing through the southern part, that is just Tamil Nadu region is passing through the. So if the question is southernmost part of Indian mainland, then the answer is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. Or if the question is southernmost part of Indian Union, then we should consider the Andaman Nicobar Islands also. Then the answer will be 6 degree 45 minute north latitude. Next part of the lesson is size of India. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. That means total 510.072 million square kilometer land area, and 148.94 million square kilometer water. So that is the area of India, total area of India. This diagram will help you to understand what I just told now. India's total area comparing with the entire world geographical area, you can see that only 2 point. If the green color region is rest of the world, the condition of India is only that red color part. So you can compare the situation there. This map will help you to understand the boundaries of India. The boundaries which is marked in black in color, the northern side, that is a land boundary. That means India is sharing its land boundaries with the neighboring countries. We have 15,200 kilometers of land boundary. And the coastal region, the places where we have ocean or sea, the coastline, the total coastline of India, the length is 7,516 kilometer length. So these are the boundaries of land and ocean boundaries of India. Few facts about India. The southernmost point of India, that is called as Indira Point, it got submerged in seawater in 2004 tsunami. Then another factor is, since the opening of Suez Canal in 1969, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. In your textbook, the first page itself, there is a world map given there. There you can locate Suez Canal, so you will get an idea what I am talking about. Before 1947, there were two types of states, that is provinces and princely states. Provinces was under British rule, and there was provinces like Bengal province, Madras province, Bombay province, etc. And princely states means the states or the kingdom, smaller kingdoms which was under the control of different rulers.